Reset should be done while the device is powered on. Insert a pin into the hole and open the back cover. Pull out the silicone plug of the camera. Long press the reset button until hear "boo goo" sound and release. Wait for the red light to flash slowly. It means reset successfully.